Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my students. How are you today? I hope you are fine, and it is nice to meet you again in this special occasions, especially in English paragraph writings that you should take in your second semester in joining in this study programs. Okay, class, in this chapter we will try in this meeting we will try to discuss new chapter. After the previous meeting we have discussed about the organizations and also discussing about the paragraph. Yeah, as far as you know, I will refresh a little bit about our previous material. In last week you have learned about paragraph, yeah, and there are three structures of paragraph. The first structure is topic sentence, and then supporting sentences, and then the last one is concluding sentence. In these occasions we try to discuss new chapter, exactly chapter 3, yeah, on English paragraph writing. You could find it this chapter 3 based on the book that you have copied, placed on page 20. Okay. Okay, the first, okay, look at the chapter 3. Yeah, the title of chapter 3 is organizing informations by times. Yeah, organizing information by times. In this chapter you will learn how to organize your paragraph, how to write a good paragraph by using the time order. Yeah, by using the time order. So please look at the first paragraph. Yeah, look at the first paragraph here on your book. Yeah, okay, chapter 1, yeah, you have learned that organization is the key to good writing. Yeah, there are several ways to organize sentences in a paragraph. There are so many ways in English. The three of the most common ways are time order. Yeah, in English there are three ways in organizing the ideas into paragraph, and the first one we will study here in these times, namely organizing informations by time by using time signal. Yeah, okay, and then also you will learn about the order of importance for next meetings, and then space orders also you will learn on the next meeting. Yeah, so in these times, yeah, in this chapter you will practice organizing ideas by times. Okay. And then look at this paragraph. Yeah, when you tell a story you organize the events in the story by times. You tell what happened first at the beginning of the story, and then you tell what happened second, third, fourth, and so on. So in writing you often do the same things. Yeah, so uh, the organizing information by times, it is similar with the younger that you have learned in a senior high school or in a junior high school, namely recount text. Yeah, if writing it is similar, but yeah, sometimes different. Yeah, okay. In a recount text, yeah, you try to retell, yeah, the activity, the event that happened in the past. Yeah, in telling the activity you try to focus on using time order. Same, it is same with organizing informations by time. So in writing in writings, yeah, time order, yeah, you need a signal, a time signal to connect within one sentence to another sentence. Yeah, okay. So yeah, in writing this one you try to tell the event that come first, second, third, and so on. Okay, Please look at next page, page 21. Identifying time orders. Identifying time orders. When you write a paragraph, yeah, you will often have to organize events according to times. Read the model paragraph and answer the following questions. Okay, there is an example. Yeah, namely my day. Yeah. Okay, I let you to read this paragraph. In my day paragraph, look at, I will read here. I had a terrible day yesterday. First, I woke up an hour late because my alarm clock doesn't go off, and blah 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 until the last sentence. Yeah. Okay, we try, because of this is still become my part, I will tell you the explanations. Please focus on these questions. Okay, what is the topic the first questions, what is the topic sentence? Yeah. Okay, as far as you know, previous meeting I told you that the topic sentence usually placed on the first sentence on the paragraph. So the topic sentence is I had a terrible day yesterday. Yeah, this is the topic sentence. I had a terrible day yesterday. Okay, and then question number 2. How are the supporting sentences organized? Okay, based on, after you read the paragraph of my day, yeah, the sentences are supported, yeah, or the supporting sentences are organized by time order. Yeah. Because of introducing one sentence to another sentence, there will be a signal time, or time signal, sorry. And then look at the third questions. Yeah, what is the concluding sentence? Yeah, you could find the concluding sentence at the last sentence of the paragraph. Yeah, look at the last sentence. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so the concluding sentence, I hope I never have a day as bad as the one I had yesterday. Okay, now look at the signal words. In order to show time relationship, you will need to use signal words to guide the reader from one idea to the next idea. When you write a paragraph using time order, you will need to use these signal words. There are so many signal words. Yeah, you could look at, yeah, on the table here. This is the signal word that you could use in writing organizing information by times. You could use first, second, then, next, before, after, us, later, finally. Okay. Besides using the signal word, you could also to use prepositions of times. Yeah. Look at the next materials. Yeah, it is important to use correct preposition to show time relationship. Okay. Okay, look at these ones. You could use at with specific times. Ya, kalian bisa menggunakan at untuk waktu yang spesifik, like at 5 o'clock, at 7:30, at noon, ya, at midnight. Ya, we cannot say at afternoon, no. Ya, we cannot say, kita tidak boleh mengatakan at morning, no. Difference, ya, only for specific times. Okay, you could use from and to with a span of time, dengan dengan jangka waktu, like from 6 to 9 o'clock, from 1941 to 1945, for example. Yeah, from and to. You could use, next page please, You could use in with other part of the day. Bisa menggunakan in dengan bagian lain pada hari, like in the afternoon, in the morning, in the evening, except night. Yeah, you cannot say in the night, no, but at night. Okay. You could use in also with months, like in August, in June, in July, in May, for example. You could use in with years, yeah, in with years, yeah, like in 1991, like in 2021, for example, yeah. You could use in also with season, yeah, season, like in the spring, in the winter, in the summer, yeah, in rainy season, for example. Okay, on, yeah. You could use on with days of week, yeah, on Monday, on Thursday, on Friday, yeah. You could use with specific date, yeah. You want to mention specific date, you could use prepositions on, like on June 30, on 23 May, for example, on Ramadan month, for example, on Lebaran Day, for example. Yes, so on is used specific times. And then for point B, exercise B, I like you to do it by yourself. Yeah, we discussed in a group. Okay. Organic sentences by times. Yeah, in here there are paragraph but not in order. So I you to organize this paragraph. Yeah, to organize the based on the orders of the times. So you should place which sentence should come first, second, third, and last. Yeah. Please do it number 1, number 2, and number 3 here. Yeah. You could do it by yourself. Okay, and then the last method is capitalizations. Okay. Capitalizations, you could use a capital letter. Look at information. Yeah, you could use capital letter for names of people, title, country, states, cities, and towns, university, day, week, months of the year, and days. Yeah, start with capital letter. Yeah, capital letter is used when you begin first word of every sentence with a capital letter. So the spelling name, or in grammar we call as proper, should be capital letter, and then the word that come in a sentence, yeah, use capital letter, and then begin the first direct word, ya, menggunakan kata pertama data yang dikutip. Kutipan direct word itu kata langsung, use also capital, and then you should also list the name of book, magazine, and movie. Yeah, so there are 4 points, yeah, in capital, in make capital word, yeah, in a sentence. Okay, there is also exercise. Please identify, find the mistake and correct by using capitalization.